Alright guys, so for the next couple weeks we're going to be talking about area. Today we're going to start with areas of rectangles and squares. Pretty easy. So area of a rectangle, you can think of it as area is equal to length times width, or area is equal to base times height. With squares, area is equal to side squared. Okay? So, a few quick examples. What is the area of this square? Well, side length is 8. So area is equal to side squared, or 8 squared. 8 squared is 8 times 8, or 64 miles squared. What is the area? Well, 9 and 10. So length and width, or base and height, whichever way you want to look at it. So base times height, in this case base is 9, height is 10, it really doesn't matter which one is which. 9 times 10 is 90 feet squared. Looks like two F's. 90 feet squared. Alright, so a square has sides of length 7.3. So again, area is side squared, or in this case 7.3 squared, which I'm going to put that in my calculator. So 7.3 squared is 53.29. So 53.29 miles squared. Rectangle has a base of 6.7, height of 6. So area is base times height. 6.7 times 6. So 6.7 times 6 is 40.2 yards squared. Alright, as you guys get a little bit higher, they're going to give you the area and want you to find the length. So in this case, area is 81, right? So area is equal to side squared. Well, area is 81, so 81 is equal to side squared. Get rid of the square, we have to take the square root of both sides. Square root of 81 is 9. So in this case it is 9 centimeters. Last example for this video. So a rectangle has an area of 98 square yards, height of 14 yards. What is the length of the base? So area is equal to base times height. So that's 98 is equal to base times 14. Divide by 14. And base is going to be equal to 98 divided by 14 should be 7, and it is. So in this case, 7 yards. Alright, so this should be a pretty easy one for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.